Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I'm just going to show you, we finished doing the front disc and front pads, and we actually found out that the actual spring is too long on this on the new pads that we got from the OEM. So this is the right hand side. That's the old spring. I'm getting a new spring. This part here is the actual spring loaded clip. So actually what it does, it holds the actual brake pads. The pin goes through the actual spring, which holds the brake pads inside there, so it doesn't move anywhere. Alright, I've got my new brake pads, but the spring is too long on the old one, so I'll show you what I mean. Alright, this is what I mean. So let me just make this picture bigger. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So if you look carefully, that's the brand new brake pads I received already. I got it today. I don't want to scratch my screen, just there. See how the spring is touching on the end of the brake pads right there? So that part there, that's the end part of the brake pad. This part here and that part there, and the spring is hitting it. So I won't have room to compress that down. So you're supposed to push that spring down and put the pin in to lock it in, but I can't push it because it's too long. So that's the right brake pads. So the brake pads on the car before it's different, so it's got a longer spring. So the one I got today, it's the same different style, but the same brake pads for Boxster S. But I'll show you what I mean. This is the old brake pads. See? That's the old brake pads. Alright, and you see the spring? The spring does not touch the end of the brake pads. It's sort of like 10 mil or probably 5 mil shorter on both sides when you put it in the middle. The reason why it's shorter, so when you press that down, this part will go up to here. So when you compress that, push the brake pads in, put the pin through here and straight through across. So you got some way for the actual. When you compress it, that will become longer, and that will go from here and sit over there. Because you're compressing it down, of course it's going to be longer. But if you go back to the old one, so for the brand new brake pads, that's the brand new one there. It's already hitting on the corner, so I can't compress it down to line up the pin with the hole there. So the pin goes through there into the hole. So unfortunately I can't get the car ready for today. The pin's coming tomorrow, so just that. Once I get there, I'll just put it in the car, finish the job, go for road test, customer can pick it up. I'll show you again what I mean in the car. Alright, see what I mean? That pin there goes across from here, between the brake pads. There's a hole in the brake pads in the middle. Goes into that brake pads, compress the spring down, and then the spring touches the top there and the bottom there, holding the brake pads in, and then that goes through the other brake pads into here, holding everything in. Alright, but because when I put the brake pads in today, the new one, this was already hitting the actual top and bottom without me compressing it down, and that's why we can't fit it. So tomorrow the new spring will come, new one of those will come. It's slightly shorter, that matches the new brake pads that I've got, and pretty much go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. L for left, R for right. Thanks for watching.